BBC Scotland presenter Glenn Campbell has stopped having chemotherapy as he shared a health update with fans. The broadcaster, 48, was diagnosed with an incurable brain tumour just weeks after he was admitted to hospital following a horrific bike crash in 2023. The accident left Glenn with 10 broken ribs and a bloodied face. He had an MRI scan which alerted doctors to the cancer before undergoing grueling surgery to remove the majority of the tumour from his brain. Nearly 1 year after his diagnosis, Glenn revealed he has temporarily stopped having treatment. The BBC political editor made the decision to give his body a break as he is struggling to bounce back between rounds of treatment. He shared the update in a candid post on Facebook, assuring fans that his treatment is still working. Glenn began, "I have stopped chemotherapy, at least for now. I completed half my course of 6 rounds. I have not stopped because it's not working. I have not stopped because it's already done the job. I won't know how effective or otherwise my treatment has been until much later in the year." The BBC presenter continued, "In the meantime, the medical thinking is to give my body a break and let it recover properly. My immune system was struggling a bit to bounce back between rounds. This is apparently quite common. Taking a break will keep further chemo as an option to return to in future, if required." Despite feeling frustrated by the situation, Glenn revealed the break in his treatment means he can enjoy the summer and even hinted at a possible return to work. He went on, "Keeping going just now might have made that impossible. It is a bit frustrating, yes. But there are definitely advantages. I can now plan to make the best of the summer and I may be able to get a little bit more involved in general election coverage than would otherwise have been possible." He signed off the post, "Some people wonder why on earth I would want to do any work. Because, believe it or not, I actually enjoy it." After being told he has 18 months to live, Glenn admitted he is not afraid of dying as he looked ahead with a sense of optimism. He told The Times, "The surprising thing, confronted with something like this, is the realization that I'm not actually afraid of dying. Every life comes to an end at some point. I think my biggest fear is what the kids would call FOMO, fear of missing out on the milestones in my children's lives, seeing them graduate, maybe get married and being there for the births of any children.